two powerful gaming handhelds, two very different visions of what portable PC gaming should look like. The Lenovo Legion Go 2 is already out in the wild, reviewed, tested, and sitting in gamers' hands. The Acer Predator Atlas 8 is coming in October 2026, packing Intel's brand new Arc G3 Extreme chip and making a bold promise to shake up the handheld market. So the real question is, should you buy the Legion Go 2 right now or wait for the Predator Atlas 8? Let's break it all down. Starting with the physical hardware, these two devices take very different approaches. The Lenovo Legion Go 2 is a big device. It weighs around 938 grams with the controllers attached and measures 295.6 by 137.6 by 42.25 millimeters. It keeps the signature look of the original Legion Go, bulky, confident, and unmistakably gamer. The detachable True Strike controllers are still one of the cleverest design elements in the handheld space. You can pull them off, clip them into an FPS mode standalone mouse configuration, or combine them into a traditional gamepad using the new connector piece Lenovo now officially provides. It's genuinely versatile and one of the biggest reasons people gravitate toward the Legion Go lineup. The Predator Atlas 8 is a leaner machine by comparison. It comes in at under 810 grams for the standard model, and the lighter variant dips below 770 grams. That's a meaningful difference if you game on the go for hours. Acer went with a more traditional handheld form factor, no detachable controllers, but they added Hall effect analog triggers, adjustable trigger switches, full-size analog sticks, rear macro buttons, and a dedicated Predator Sense button. It's not as modular as the Legion Go 2, but it's polished and purpose-built. Edge, Legion Go 2 for versatility, but Predator Atlas 8 if portability and weight matter to you. This is where the Legion Go 2 pulls ahead in a significant way, at least on paper. The Legion Go 2 sports an 8.8-inch OLED panel at 1920 by 1200 resolution with a 144 Hz variable refresh rate. It's the first handheld to combine OLED technology with a 144 Hz display, and it shows. OLED means deeper blacks, punchy colors, and a visual quality that IPS simply cannot match. When you're gaming in a dark room or watching a cutscene, the difference is immediately visible. The Predator Atlas 8 goes with an 8-inch IPS touchscreen at 1920 by 1200 with a 120 Hz refresh rate and VRR support. It hits 500 nits peak brightness, which is genuinely excellent for outdoor gaming. Plus, you get Gorilla Glass Victus with DXC anti-glare coating, so reflections aren't a constant annoyance. It's a very good display, but OLED at 144 Hz from Lenovo is a harder thing to beat. Edge Lenovo Go 2 with OLED at 144 Hz is the clear winner here. Now here's where things get genuinely interesting, and where the Predator Atlas 8 becomes a serious conversation. The Legion Go 2 runs on Ryzen Z2 Extreme, an 8-core 16-thread Zen 5 chip paired with RDNA 3.5 graphics in the Radeon 890M. It's a strong performer and delivers roughly 15 to 20% better performance than the previous Ryzen Z1 Extreme. Real-world gaming on the Z2 Extreme handles modern AAA titles confidently. One note, by default, the GPU only gets 2 GB of VRAM allocated, and you'll need to manually adjust that in the BIOS to 10 or 12 GB to unlock optimal frame rates. It's not ideal for a device at this price point, but it's a one-time fix. The Predator Atlas 8 runs Intel's all-new Arc G3 Extreme with Arc B390 graphics. This is Intel's first processor purpose-built specifically for handheld gaming, not repurposed laptop silicon, but hardware designed from the ground up for this category. It supports ray tracing and Intel ZSS3 AI-powered upscaling, which is Intel's answer to AMD's FSR. We don't have full independent benchmark data yet, but early hands-on impressions from Computex 2026 have been genuinely positive. Intel's earlier MSI Claw handhelds underwhelmed, but the Arc G3 Extreme is a fundamentally different architecture, and the Atlas 8 may be the device that finally puts Intel on the handheld gaming map. Edge, Legion Go 2 right now based on tested performance, but keep a close eye on Atlas 8 benchmarks come October. The Atlas 8 tops out at 24 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM with up to 1 terabyte of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. That RAM ceiling is slightly lower than what the Legion Go 2 offers. The Legion Go 2 comes with up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM clocked at 8,000 megatransfers per second, and storage options go all the way up to 2 terabytes. For an APU-based system where RAM is shared between the CPU and GPU, more RAM directly means better graphics performance. The jump from 16 to 32 gigabytes is meaningful, and having 2 terabytes of storage removes any anxious decision-making about which games to keep installed. Edge, Legion Go 2. More RAM, more storage headroom. The Predator Atlas 8 carries an 80 watt-hour battery, one of the largest batteries in any gaming handheld right now, matching the Asus ROG Ally X. Select models ship with a 60 watt-hour unit, so check configurations carefully before buying. The Legion Go 2 comes with a 74 watt-hour battery with 65 watt fast charging. It's a 50% jump over the original Legion Go's 49.2 watt-hour cell, split across 2 internal cells, a smart design choice by Lenovo to fit that capacity into the chassis. Real-world battery life on the Legion Go 2 varies wildly depending on game load, but the larger capacity compared to most competitors gives you a reasonable buffer. Edge, Predator Atlas 8. 80 watt-hours is the bigger number here. The Predator Atlas 8 is the stronger device on paper here. Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, Intel Killer Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a UHS-2 microSD card reader. Thunderbolt 4 opens up eGPU possibilities, high-speed data transfer, and display output with minimal compromise. Wi-Fi 7 is also genuinely future-proof. You won't notice the difference unless you're on a Wi-Fi 7 router, but it's a step behind. Edge, Predator Atlas 8, Thunderbolt 4, and Wi-Fi 7 are real advantages. The Legion Go 2 starts at $1099.99 for the Z2 model with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. The Z2 Extreme with 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte starts at $1349.99, and the fully maxed out 2 terabyte configuration hits $1479.99. That's a steep ask in a crowded market. The Predator Atlas 8 has no confirmed price yet. Based on comparable Intel Arc 3 Extreme-powered handhelds like the MSI Claw 8 EXI Plus, which surfaced in European retail around €1599, the Atlas 8 will likely land in a similar premium range. Until Acer makes it official closer to October, you're buying without knowing the full cost equation. If you need a powerful gaming handheld right now, the Lenovo Legion Go 2 is the answer. The OLED with 144 Hz, the detachable controller system, 32 gigabytes of RAM, up to 2 terabytes of storage, and proven AMD performance make it one of the best handhelds you can buy today. Yes, it's heavy. Yes, it's expensive, but it earns both. If you can wait until October 2026, the Predator Atlas 8 is absolutely worth watching. Intel's purpose-built Arc G3 Extreme platform, Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 7, an 80 watt-hour battery, and a lighter, more portable chassis could make it a genuine contender, especially if the price comes in below the Legion Go 2's top configurations. The Legion Go 2 wins on specs and availability today, but the Predator Atlas 8 might win on value when the full picture becomes clear. Watch this space.